Words. How do we communicate them? By land, by sea, by air, through wires, telephone, satellite, email, messaging, and something we call chat. And with every generation comes new innovations in great leaps. Even now, we are living in a most special time. It is the age of information. The internet, it has spawned powerful search engines, social websites, instant messaging services, and knowledge-based repositories. We accumulate data and connect with people at speeds faster than we can imagine. But being connected means being vulnerable. We know the risks are great and the consequences are equally worrisome. Dangers are lurking everywhere. We've all been there, a storm of information overwhelming us with numbers, phone calls, emails, reports, and endless meetings to try to sort through it all. We add more people only to compound the problem. We can't see the forest through the trees. We don't prioritize. We struggle to accomplish. We fail to grasp the moment. And we become buried in our work. Communications. It is a company's lifeblood, flowing with purpose. However, as a company grows, the infrastructure becomes complicated and the flow becomes challenged. Data becomes untimely, inaccurate, incomplete, superfluous, inaccessible, without purpose, without destination. And without flow, the entire organism is compromised. The age of information is upon us, but there's still lots to do. So how do you build an informatics infrastructure that can transform an entire culture? How do you promote a communication-savvy, information-rich environment that is pervasive and organic, where the right information gets to the right people at the right time, encouraging collaboration, expertise, ingenuity, and efficiency? How do you allow communications to help an organization excel, compete, and accomplish at the next level? There is a place, but to get there, we need to take a little ride. Imagine a place where communications can drive an entire organization, increase productivity, inspire teamwork, motivate creativity, solve problems, reach goals, accomplish. A place free from the constraints of time and space, where you can stay on task, stay connected, inform and be informed. Sounds too good to be true? Welcome to Teamplus. This is a virtual world in your cloud. Virtuality is a cloud concept which allows you to see and perform beyond the limitations of our physical world. It allows you to have the power to discover, learn, solve, execute, and accomplish anywhere you are at any time. This cloud is built on your own powerful server. It does all the heavy lifting and allows mobility and flexible working arrangements through your smart mobile devices. It is the perfect platform to leverage virtuality and build a scalable, pervasive, mobile, enterprise-wide communications infrastructure. Sometimes you have to stand on your head to really see, and what we saw ultimately changed our entire view of communications and defined our place in history. We looked closely at software programming and came up with an extraordinary revelation. Communications are not based on our traditional organization charts. It's not about hierarchy, interdepartment interaction, SOPs. It's not even about people. In the world of Teamplus, the nucleus or atomic unit of our communication is based on objects. A project could be an object, and the appropriate people are attached to it. Even files, video, schedules are all elements of that object. People come and go, projects start and finish, information accumulates, and it's the virtuality of our system that allows the infrastructure to easily scale, grow, and administrate. Anything can be an object: a meeting, a product, an exhibition, a department, a factory, even a company. Object-based communication is very flexible and ensures the most important item always remains in focus: the task at hand. We are Teamplus Technology, and we have built an entire communications infrastructure package for enterprises using virtual cloud technology and powerful on-premises solutions. Post and chat have proven to be one of today's most powerful communication tools, and applied in a corporate setting, they can have amazing consequences and can, in short time, almost completely supplant outdated email and telephone. The interactive and instantaneous nature of post and chat, integrated with our object-based communications, has shown a remarkable transformation in collective collaboration, with notification and alert, immediate feedback, improved team support, faster problem resolution, increased brainstorming, and inspired group creativity. And mobility ensures your best chance to reach the right people fast. There's no waiting and no wondering. An intuitive, organized interface is patterned after other popular online services, which means a familiar environment requiring little training with a significant time cost savings during deployment. All objects must be menu-driven, with the ability to quickly drill down and page through to and from recent posts all the way back to time zero. Powerful keyword search engines can quickly scour and retrieve old posts, historical archives, videos, documents, educational material for training, research, or even legal evidence. Everything you need is virtually at your fingertips. Video and voice conferencing embodies the virtual office. The ability to quickly schedule and gather attendees across the globe at a moment's notice is invaluable. An enterprise-wide staff directory with secure employee profiles allow you to seek and connect fast, easy, and accurately. Integrated task assignment, tracking, and scheduling functions are only a click away from the task on hand. Effectively, if you integrated the most popular instant messaging service, social networking website, search engine, task management software, and knowledge-based repository onto one package for secure and safe enterprise-wide use, well, that would be us. We entered a nascent market 10 years ago when, in addition to the new object-based paradigm, we realized one crucial aspect was missing, and without it, we would not be able to deliver. The luxury of object-oriented communications is that it fits any kind of environment. You see, anything can virtually be the object. An object could be an airline flight, where pilots, flight attendants, tarmac crews, maintenance, food supply all need immediate notifications. Delays, cancellations, gate changes, special accommodations all need to get to the right people at the right time. An object could be a patient in a hospital where acute care and expert diagnosis requires round-the-clock monitoring, immediate updates, and alert triggers. But what if these data items are initiated by other systems? In fact, they often are. Who says it's easy? Our customers are companies with diverse environments, and the flow of data and communications can be quite challenging. Communications are not only initiated by employees, systems are also communicators that possess important data such as reports or alert triggers. An API is a virtual gateway with well-defined communication protocols. They are the agents between systems and facilitate the movement of data. We may have a company with 10 factories. In Factory 3, a machine malfunctions and an electronic trigger is passed onto the API, which forwards it to the machine object, which then notifies the appropriate Factory 3 manager, assistant manager, factory floor leader, and product manager, and most importantly, the expert machine maintenance engineer. A repair team is deployed, communicating immediate update statuses, and even video or any type of multimedia. Problem is solved in a few hours, which may have otherwise taken a whole day waiting on emails and missed phone calls. Airline flight information also emanates from a central source and can be distributed through our APIs, disseminating to the appropriate flight crew and service staff. Hundreds of flights arrive and depart daily. Personnel are constantly being added in chains, the unexpected occurring hundreds, thousands of times a day at any time. How in the world do you keep everyone informed? Our object-oriented communications are also a perfect match for such a fluid and dynamic informatics environment. Again, it's the object communications, virtuality, and scalability of our cloud technology that helps Teamplus remain adaptable, flexible, and versatile. Financial systems, warehouse systems, ERP systems, POS, workflow, factory surveillance are all examples of APIs that have defined our ability to quickly integrate and adapt. Even the user interface APP code, all the way to the system kernel, everything from hardware and software integration, security features, multimedia access, to menus, and those odd little icons we call stickers, are all part of a larger strategy to have the facilities and abilities for customization. In fact, from day one, Teamplus technology task forces work side by side with our customers to mold, sculpt, and shape the perfect platform for seamless transition and pervasive enterprise-wide acceptance. Customization was the final crucial step and now defines who we are. It separates us from the pack and allows us to lead in our industry. Everything is possible and nothing impossible. It never rains above the clouds, which is one of our main attractions for CEOs, to safeguard customer, financial, technological, and other proprietary information. Teamplus Cloud technology is inherently secure. All our communications are individually encrypted with uniquely seeded encryption keys, and all our customer data that are stored on databases are also encrypted. Other social chat and messaging forums will base their client-server interfaces on public clouds, which are potentially at great risk and worry for corporations. Teamplus was designed to exist on private clouds, physically distinct on-premises servers, which means your own firewalls, antivirus software, and monitoring and security standards can continue to safeguard and keep out all unauthorized access. Teamplus technology is the world's first to focus on enterprise instant messaging and collaboration solutions. Teamplus is not only a leading brand, we are leading the trend. First to market was crucial for developing the Teamplus platform it is today. Banks, hospitals, manufacturing companies, government organizations, airlines across Taiwan have all embraced our technology, with email usage down by 48%, 32% decrease in meetings, up to 50% savings in telecom expenses, and productivity increase up by 25%. Teamplus has obtained international gold medal recognition. Change. It's already begun. A new paradigm to revolutionize enterprise communications, a chance to organize, collaborate, inspire, solve, and accomplish at the next level. It is the age of information, and just what is the next step? We are the next step. There is a place. There are many places. And it's always a fine day at Teamplus.